Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vinings, long distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we can transport your belongings locally within the state or beyond state lines. We are in excellent standing with the federal and local agencies that oversee the relocation process. Because we care about our customers and their belongings, we have insurance treaties in place. But both before and after the relocation, these insurance plans cover liability worries. On our team, we have the most professional and dependable movers and drivers who will safely move your possessions. You don't have to be concerned about us cheating you because all the services we offer are reasonably priced. Local moves are substantially less expensive than long distance moves. Our hourly rates are relatively cheap, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. Our dedicated and licensed local movers will ensure that you are content with our service and take your feedback and suggestions into consideration. We have been working in huge cities and busy places for years, so we know how to move your items without causing any complications. We have dedicated movers and drivers who give their best to their jobs and are always available to help you with all your relocation needs. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Vinings moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.